Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product that every household, workplace, and vehicle should have: the First Aid Only 6060 All-Purpose 10-Person Emergency First Aid Kit. We found this fantastic kit online, and we've included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The First Aid Only 6060 is a comprehensive emergency first aid kit designed to cater to the needs of up to 10 people. It includes a total of 57 pieces, making it a well-rounded solution for various medical emergencies. Whether you're at work, home, or on the road, this kit is tailored to keep you prepared for unexpected situations. So, what are some of the standout features of this first aid kit? First and foremost, it comes packed with a variety of essential items. You'll find adhesive fabric and plastic bandages for cuts and scrapes, antibiotic ointments to prevent infections, and BZK antiseptic towelettes for cleaning wounds. There are also burn cream packets, gauze rolls and pads, gloves, scissors, and tweezers, among other multi-use first aid items. This comprehensive range of supplies ensures that you have the tools necessary to address different types of injuries and emergencies. Another important aspect of this kit is its convenient packaging. The First Aid Only 6060 is housed in a durable plastic case, making it an ideal choice for a first aid kit in the office, at home, or in your car. The case is designed for easy access, with individual compartments that keep all supplies neatly organized and easy to locate. This means no more rummaging through a cluttered bag when you're in a stressful situation. Everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Now, who is this first aid kit suitable for? The First Aid Only 6060 is perfect for a wide range of users. If you manage a small business or office, this kit provides a reliable safety net for your employees. For families, it's an excellent addition to your home safety supplies, ensuring you're prepared for minor injuries that can happen at any time. And for those who love road trips or outdoor adventures, this compact kit fits nicely into a backpack or vehicle compartment, giving you peace of mind while you're on the go. Speaking of practical use cases, let's consider a few scenarios. Imagine you're hosting a barbecue in your backyard and someone accidentally cuts their finger while preparing food. With the First Aid Only 6060 at hand, you can quickly apply a bandage and an antibiotic ointment to prevent infection. Or perhaps you're on a hiking trip and one of your friends suffers a minor burn from a hot campfire. The burn cream packets included in this kit can offer immediate relief and help in the healing process. Even in the workplace, the kit can be invaluable. In the event of an accident, having a well-stocked first aid kit can make all the difference in addressing injuries promptly and effectively. In summary, the First Aid Only 6060 All-Purpose 10-Person Emergency First Aid Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to stay prepared for medical emergencies. With its comprehensive array of supplies, convenient packaging, and versatile use cases, it's an essential tool for both personal and professional settings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.